Okay, so we have 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which represents sodium bicarbonate, which goes in first. Okay. And then we have 3/4 cup of vinegar, which represents acetic acid, which we then pour in over the sodium bicarbonate.
Woo!
Yes. Look at that.
That's a solid.
And it's going down all 4 sides, too. Oh. That's a good
This is
right there.
goals right
That's a
here.
good volcano right there.
Wow.
That's a good one.
Okay.
Alright, so we're adding 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which is kind of the representation of sodium bicarbonate. And then we have 3/4 cup of vinegar, which represents acetic acid.
I thought we were gonna take the thing out.
You know,
She just got too excited.
what is that?
Look at that volcano.
Oh, look, it's still going.
We should have colored it. We could just do it again. Let's just do it again.